The first thing Emma Carter noticed about the Newman next door was the pink shirt hanging from his laundry line. It was supposed to be white. Emma stared at it from her kitchen window, then looked at the bottle of detergent in her hand and sighed. "How does someone even manage that?" she whispered. Her 8-year-old son Noah burst into laughter beside her. "Maybe he washed it with a red sock." Emma smiled. "Or maybe he has no idea what he's doing." Across the narrow backyard, the mysterious man stood staring at the shirt as if it had personally betrayed him. His name was Daniel Reed, although Emma didn't know that yet. To her, he was simply the quiet man who had moved into the old house next door 2 days earlier, carried 3 expensive-looking suitcases inside, and apparently had no idea how a washing machine worked. Daniel glanced toward Emma's window, saw her watching, and quickly pulled the pink shirt from the line. Emma disappeared behind the curtain, trying not to laugh. What she didn't know was that Daniel wasn't an ordinary neighbor. He was one of the most recognizable young billionaires in the country, the founder of a technology company that had recently exploded into international fame. For weeks, cameras had followed him everywhere. Reporters waited outside his office. Photographers followed his car. Every private dinner became a headline. Then a business scandal involving one of his executives turned his life into a circus. Daniel hadn't done anything wrong, but the public wanted answers, and the press wanted his face. So he had quietly rented the small house in this ordinary neighborhood under his middle name, hoping for something he hadn't experienced in years: silence. He expected loneliness. He never expected Emma. The next morning, Daniel's washing machine made a terrifying noise before stopping completely. He stared at it, pressed a button, waited, and pressed another. Nothing happened. At that exact moment, Emma knocked on his door. "Everything okay?" she asked. Daniel opened the door cautiously. "Perfectly fine." A loud metallic bang came from behind him. Emma raised an eyebrow. "Your house disagrees." Noah peeked around her and whispered, "Are you bad at laundry?" Daniel looked embarrassed for the first time in years. "Apparently." Emma laughed and offered to help. 10 minutes later, she discovered he had put far too much detergent into the machine. "You almost created a bubble disaster," she said. Daniel smiled. "I'm good at other things." "Like what?" Emma asked. He hesitated. "Business." She nodded without thinking much of it. "Well, if you ever need help with laundry, ask." That simple kindness stayed with Daniel all day. Emma was a single mother working 2 jobs, raising Noah alone, and somehow still finding the energy to help a stranger. Over the following weeks, Daniel and Emma became unlikely friends. She taught him how to separate colors, Noah taught him how to play soccer, and Daniel quietly began fixing things around Emma's house without ever asking for credit. But then one afternoon, a black SUV stopped outside Daniel's house. Cameras appeared behind it. Reporters shouted his name. Emma froze when she saw Daniel step outside. "Daniel Reed," she whispered. Daniel looked at her, realizing the secret was over. Noah ran toward him excitedly, but Daniel stopped him gently. Emma's expression changed from confusion to shock. "You're the billionaire everyone has been talking about." Daniel lowered his eyes. "I didn't tell you because I wanted one place where people didn't see me as a billionaire." Emma stared at him, hurt but silent. Then she noticed something else: the reporters weren't there because of him. They were surrounding Emma's house. A reporter held up a photograph of her and Noah. Daniel's face went pale. Someone had discovered the woman who had become important to him. He stepped between Emma and the cameras and said quietly, "You helped me when nobody knew who I was. Now it's my turn to protect you." If you believe kindness can change 2 completely different lives, stay with this story, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, because what Daniel did next would change Emma and Noah's lives forever.